Let's look at the solution of algebra bytes. Raju, a rice dealer, has packets of 10 kg, 50 kg, 100 kg, and 1000 kg of rice with him. He has to deliver an order of 1380 kgs of rice. The cost price of rice for Raju is ₹1 per kg. The transportation cost is ₹8 per packet, irrespective of packet's weight. If he delivers full packets only, what is the minimum cost price, and transportation cost together that he would incur in order to deliver the order? Okay, so you will definitely incur 1380 because rice was ₹1 per kg. Now, if he wants minimum cost, he would want minimum packets. So you would take 1000 kg packet, 300 kg packets, 150 kg packet, and 10 kg packet, or altogether 8 packets. And the cost is 8 per packet. So you would have to pay 64 more. You add it up, you get 1444, the answer to this question. Next, Manoj has a certain amount of money in the form of denominations of ₹1 and ₹10. The amount in rupees with him is the product of the number of ₹1 notes and the number of ₹10 notes. The number of ₹10 notes is less than 15. What is a possible amount in rupees that he can have? Okay, let's see. We have, let the ₹1 notes and the 10 rupee notes, 10 rupees notes be A and B. So the total amount with him will be A plus 10B. And we have been told this is also equal to product of number of notes of each type that he has. So this transforms to 10B is equal to A times of B minus 1, or A is equal to 10B minus 10 plus 10 by B minus 1, or A is equal to 10 plus 10 by B minus 1. So now B minus 1 has to be a factor of 10. B minus 1 has to be a factor of 10. So let's work. If B minus 1 is a factor of 10, B minus 1 can either be, can take 4 potential values. 4 potential values would be 2, 3, 6, and 11. Okay. If B was 2, A would turn out to be 20. In which case, the total amount with these people, or with Manoj, would turn out to be 40. Sadly, 40 is not present within the options. Then if B was 3, so 3 minus 2, so ₹1 notes would turn out to be 15. 15 into 3, 45 would be the total amount present with Manoj. Sadly, there is no 45 as an option is not present. Let's work with 6. If it was 6 minus 1, 2. So 12 we would have here. 12 into 6, 72 rupees. Again, 72 is not present within options. If B was 11, A would also be 11. 11 into 11, 121. And yes, 121 as an option is present. That will be the answer. Next, if x square minus 15x plus 26 is equal to 0, where x is real, what is the minimum possible value of x? Now, this is a very straightforward quadratic wherein we have a modded term. The good thing about this modded term is if I take the plus sign or minus sign, both of them would work. So I don't really need to care about the mod sign right now. Later on, if I get a as a root, I will also take minus a as a root. I can break this down as x square minus 15x plus 26 is equal to 0. X square minus 13x minus 2x plus 26 is equal to 0. X minus 13 minus 2. X minus 13 is equal to 0. X minus 2 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. So possible values of x are 2 or 13. And given I could also take the negative versions, it would also be minus 2 and minus 13. Now among these, which is the smallest one, because the question was asking me minimum possible value of x, it has to be minus 13. So option B works. Next, find the sum of the series given below. Okay, now for this series, what you need to notice is the alternate terms, the ones that are present here. Can you see this is nothing but powers of 2? So 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, and this will keep on going till 1024 or 2 raised to the power 10. This is a GP. Summation of a GP is given by a 2 raised to the power 10 terms. So 11 minus 1. Sorry. Okay. No, there are 10 terms. 2 raised power n minus 1 divided by 1. So from here I get 2 into 1023 or 2046. Cool. These are the odd terms. Now let's look at the even terms. These are nothing but first n natural numbers. Given we are going up until the 20th term, we would have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 blah 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 up until 10. Sum here is given by 10 into 11 by 2, which is equal to 55. So we simply have to add these two numbers up. 46 plus 54 will take me 2100. So the final answer here is 2101. Next, Rohan and 5 of his friends contributed equal money and hired a car to Goa. At least one of his friends pulled out of the trip at the last moment, and so they decided to divide the expenses between the rest of the people. During the journey, the car required some minor repair for which they paid $250 extra. The total traveling expenses, including the repair charges, amounted to $410 per person. If each of the 6 friends had contributed an integral amount more than rupees 100 initially, what was their total initial contribution? See, you can engage in heavy processing here, but what you can see is, see, if initially all of them were contributing A and there were 6 friends, Rohan has 5 of his friends, 6A they were contributing. Now, because one friend did not turn up, if A, this was individual contribution and this was total contribution. This was total contribution. Now, because one friend did not turn up, the total contribution remains the same. It is just that every individual contribution, new individual contribution would be 6A by 5 now. And to this, see, they paid 250 for repairs. How many people paid 250 for repairs? 5 people. So everybody paid 50-50 each. 6A by 5 comes up plus 50 comes out to be equal to 410. So straight away we have 6A by 5 is equal to 360. So 6 gone, 60, or A is equal to 300. If A is equal to 300, the total initial contribution was 6 into 300 or 1800. That is it. That will be all for this episode. Hopefully you learned something.